Ahoy! My name is Kurt and today I'm once again attempting to create a Harry Potter inspired wand with built-in LED lights. I wrapped a plastic straw with masking tape. This covers the noticeable pattern of the plastic straw and provides a good surface for the foam clay later on. If you enjoy my videos and would like to support me and my work, please subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated on my latest videos. I appreciate your support, thank you very much. As a reference, I used the template from my last video, so the wand will be approximately 35 centimeters long. Instead of one, I will be incorporating 2 fairy lights into this wand, and fairy lights with this kind of battery pack work the best for this kind of project. I connected the battery parts with a plastic tube that I cut to the appropriate length. I used hot glue to attach the upper part of the wand to the handle. I gathered the lights into a small pile and concealed the wires inside the tube and then covered the exposed wires and bobs with some hot glue. I really want to know which Hogwarts is your favorite He-Man of the Marvel universe. Mine has always been Buffy. What's yours? Next, I covered the wires with masking tape to protect them from water, which I would need later when working with foam clay. I then wound the fairy lights around the wand and initially secured the wires with more masking tape. I covered the entire thing with hot glue to fix the wires and bobs in their final position. I covered the entire wand with foam clay, and foam clay is best worked with some water and silicone tools. Here you can see the wand completely covered in foam clay, and here it is after I used a soldering iron on it. Since I'm not following a specific pattern, I simply created a wood-like texture and spared the tip for some variety. For the primer, I mixed black acrylic paint with craft glue and applied the mixture generously. My trusty old hairdryer sped up the drying process once again. To highlight the burnt-in details, I applied white chalk paint with a sponge. We are almost done here. I painted the exposed hot glue areas with window color in red and gold. Using a sponge, I blended the colors together and let them bleed into the wand slightly. Finally, I attached a plastic gemstone to the handle with hot glue. And that's it. Here is my Harry Potter wand inspired by Harry potter wants. Thank you for tuning in and watching until the very end, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, happy crafting and bye bye.